Hello, this is Alicia from Quick and Delish with a quick video inviting you to attend my virtual meal planning workshop series. This begins October 17th and we meet for 4 Saturdays in a row and our last workshop will be November 7th. And the details will be below in the show more description box. So check this out. So we're going to meet from 12 to 1 Pacific Standard Time for 4 Saturdays in a row. And what you will get is every week we'll go through a presentation. It'll be like a balance between a webinar and a workshop, right? So you're going to be brainstorming ideas for yourself. So I'm going to give you resources, handouts that go with each workshop, and you're going to write out your meal planning system. And so you're going to have your inventory that you're going to maintain and ideas for recipes that you already have in your head, but you're going to put them down on paper in your computer. So we're going to use this time as active time for brainstorming and putting together your system. Everybody needs a system to be able to follow through with what we must do. So choosing to eat healthy is something that you already made the decision to do, right? And so if you're faced with the decision every day, like, should I eat healthy today? Is this a day that you're going to eat healthy? Then that increases the stress. We already make like over 3,500 decisions every day. So once you choose to eat healthy, you don't want to have the feeling of eating healthy as a task. You choose to eat healthy more often, and then you have a plan to follow through with how you'll do that. And having a meal planning system will help you follow and stay on your path. So this is not going to be some sort of like super intense, do it all in one day kind of meal planning system. This is something that's a foundation that you'll be able to recycle and add in new concepts over time, new recipes, new products. As products come into, like, new products are created all the time, how can you use the balance of like some of these prepared foods, like prepped vegetables, and cooked chicken, etc. How can you use those into your meal planning system to make your life easy? And so each week we're going to go through a major concept, and because I'm a dietitian and chef, I'm including the concepts of healthy eating within this framework, as well as how to make your meals taste delicious. So you're going to take the foundation of what you already know, add that in to your meal planning system, and I will guide you through this process, and you will add in some information. Maybe you want to add some of my recipes for my channel, and that would be really cool also. So I hope you attend. I look forward to seeing you there. And I'm going, after every workshop, I'm going to open up to Q&A to the attendees, and so you can ask your questions during the workshop. So it'll be 12 to 1 Pacific Standard Time, but we might go a little over. And if all goes well, I might open up to like a Facebook group or something like that, so we can continue this process and this discussion, because we already make too many decisions every day, and the choice to eat healthy should not be one of them. It's just something we already made a decision to do. And so having a system so that we follow through with that will make our life so much easier. And now that most people are at home cooking during the pandemic, having a system is that much more essential. So awesome. So I look forward to seeing you. If you have any questions, add your questions to the comments or contact me directly, and please share. And I look forward to seeing you next time on one of my video recipes. Take care. And this is Alicia from Quick and Delish signing out. Cheers. Let's make healthy eating easier, or let's bring ease to healthy eating. I'm not saying that it's going to be easy all the time. That's not what we're going for. Okay, cheers. Take care. Bye.